Beer Justice Brewing Co. is Arcade, New York's first brewery. It is a woman and veteran-owned business. What used to be an antique store has now been renovated into a stunning setting to enjoy a wide range of craft beer. Ultimate Brew Service was there every step of the way to get their production up and running. We started by having a few extended phone calls about the size and type of system that would make sense based on their available utilities, projected sales volume, and room size. They plan to keep all sales in-house, and since they have plenty of space, it really came down to sales volume and available utilities. The conclusion was to go with a 5-barrel system. That way they can keep up with local demand while not overproducing any given beer. Their building already had a natural gas supply and ample electric, so it was decided to go with a unique kind of hybrid heating. The boil kettle utilizes a direct fire burner, while the HLT uses electric heating elements to maintain temp. By doing this, Paul won't have to worry about cleaning heating elements in his boil kettle, which was a concern of his. This is a 2-vessel, 5-barrel, direct fire heated, semi-automatically controlled, standard, non-skidded, upsized mash brewhouse with a 10-barrel electric HLT. The semi-automatic control allows you to modulate your rake speed, pump speed, HLT temperature, and boil kettle temperature. All of our standard brew houses come with a plow on the rake, vorlauf agitator, sparge ring, wort grant, whirlpool inlet, large hop filter, dual-stage heat exchanger, and an oxygen stone on the way to your unitanks. Our installation scope was to bring the glycol lines to every tank, plus the heat exchanger from our 5-ton Swift-Chill, to make final electrical connections to all of the equipment, and to install the flexible auger from the miller to the grist hydrator. Before we delivered the brewhouse and tanks, we had all of the glycol lines prepped and ready to be dropped down, just like we always do. Outside of the brewhouse, Paul got a CIP cart, economy miller, and 50-gal ultimate brew tank to aid his process. Paul was deciding between a few suppliers when he first talked, but he ultimately decided to go with us because of the level of service and expertise we can provide at a local level. After delivery day, we came back to do commissioning with a water brew and to run CIP to get Paul comfortable with his new equipment. 5 weeks later, he has 11 taps of in-house beers for the craft community to enjoy. Their doors are open and the beer is flowing, so go check out Beer Justice Brewing Co. in Arcade next time you're in the area. Cheers.